Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now by inspecting the physical screen edges and glass. You need to catch lift or pressure damage early. Once done, charge the phone to at least half and turn off adaptive brightness and any color filters so measurements stay consistent. Next, open full-screen pure white and pure black images at the device's native resolution and set brightness to maximum. This gives you immediate reference points for backlight, bloom, and uniformity as you continue testing. Now evaluate color accuracy and uniformity. Use a neutral gray gradient and tilt the phone to spot color shift or tint. Some OLEDs show magenta or green at angles. Make sure to check black screens in a dark room for backlight bleed, clouding, or brighter patches. These suggest panel or assembly issues. Then test motion by displaying solid colored frames and scrolling high contrast lines to reveal ghosting or response lag. Repeat at different refresh rates. Finish by verifying touch accuracy. Draw continuous lines across the screen and watch for jumps or dead zones because touch issues often mimic display faults. Once done, compare the phone to a known good reference device or calibrated photo to gauge color and brightness differences. This helps you decide if variations are within tolerance. If you still see major defects, reboot and test in safe mode, try a factory reset, and if unresolved, contact the seller or authorized repair under warranty. These steps resolve most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.